The trial of Jesus Christ is a defining moment in biblical history, shaping the beliefs of millions of people, a story that lives on to this day. It's a confrontation between two men, Jesus and Pontius Pilate.
On the one hand, you have the man about whom we know almost everything. On the other hand, you have Pilate, who is a blank.
Pilate reluctantly orders Jesus' crucifixion and washes his hands of responsibility for Jesus' death. The Christian story acquits Pilate and blames the Jews in his place.
People have seen that as the Jewish nation accepting the guilt for Jesus' death, and that has had tremendous repercussions, not just in the Middle Ages with pogroms, but leading right on to the Holocaust.
Now we re-examine the trial of Christ and the role of Pontius Pilate. Is he an innocent, absolved of responsibility? Or is he the man that killed Jesus?